Good day to everyone. To my co-student for MAED, EDUC 230, with our Professor Dr. Sani Tapia Pamesa. Good morning, sir. I am Delani Amontos Lubitania, currently teaching and a Teacher 1 of Buracan ES Dimasalang. This morning, I will deliver to you this topic about educational technology integration and technology tools for the 21st century. Educational technology integration and technology tools for the 21st century. Technology integration for the new 21st century learner. Technology integration remakes the partnership for 21st century skills, a national organization advocating for 21st century readiness for every students. Explain the outcomes for this transformation as fusing the traditional 3 R's with 4 C's: critical thinking, creativity, communication, and collaboration. What is the role of technology in an educational setting today? Today, technology is used to improve and facilitate learning and can be found everywhere. With the incorporation of technology into schools, the main purpose is to change how teachers and students gather, access, analyze, present, and transmit information. This is according to the researcher on March 27, 2015 from the resource. How is technology influencing education in the 21st century? Technology provides teachers and students with access to a variety of educational resources that inspire creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. This is in turn promotes a global awareness, which is an essential component to a 21st century. What is the importance of technology integration in education? Technology, when integrated into the curriculum, revolutionizes the learning process. More and more studies show that technology integration in the curriculum improves students' learning processes and outcomes. Teachers who recognize computers as problem-solving tools change the way they teach. How important is technology in the 21st century? It promotes inclusion and development of digital literacy skills. It extends learning beyond the text and beyond the classroom walls. It ultimately exposes students and teachers to new online global communities. This is in turn promotes a global awareness, which is essential component to a 21st century education. These are the characteristics of the 21st century teacher. Facilitate and inspire students' learning and creativity so that all students achieve in the global society. Work with their students to co-create new learning opportunities. Use data to support student learning and program. These 21st century skills are more important to students now than ever before. They not only provide a framework for successful learning in the classroom, but ensure students that can thrive in a world where change is constant and learning never stops. And they are also tremendously important for our nation's well-being. Top 10 technology tools that teachers should have. Number 1, Classcraft. Classcraft uses the same gaming principles to engage students in the educational process and create a more harmonized learning environment. Number 2, Adobe Spark Video. One of the most exciting ways for students to engage in content is to practice teaching it themselves. Spark Video is an app that kids can use to create their own instructional videos. Part of Adobe's platform, the programs come with the ready-made templates, images, and sounds to inspire. The number 3 is the CISO. This creative learning portfolio system to enhances communication between parents, teachers, and administrators. With a variety of activities to choose from, teachers can select an assignment to create their own. Students have completed the task. They can add their work to their personal portfolio, which can be shared with mom and dad. One of the best features of this app is the lack of paperwork for teachers. The number 4 top 10 tools are, the next is the Google Classroom. Google's answer to learning management and school. The Google Classroom app enables teachers to organize various tasks from a single digital location. Instructors are able to give assignments, surveys, and quizzes, grade students' work, and more. Google Classroom aims to streamline their learning experiences. The number 5 is the YouTube. YouTube is full of creative videos that can help our visual learner grasp concepts including math, coding, and science. Managing an account is easy and can be linked to your Google account. The next is the Nearpod VR, virtual reality, is an exciting development in the technology world, and helps bring concepts to life through its immersive approach. Teachers can use Nearpod VR to enhance lessons on history, life sciences, or just about any subject matter through VR experiences. It can help students can explore the world, grasp the realities of life. Another is the Vingage. Through the Vingage app, students can create their own infographics to present information, data, or knowledge. It was developed to a straightforward and easy way to introduce dataset discovery. Vingage can assess students in the learning process by bringing statistics to life. Rather than create the presentation from scratch, Vingage comes equipped with templates to guide the process and help students create a visually appealing addition to their work. The next is the Kid Blog. Even in digital world, writing skills are still key to success for any students. However, not everyone loves written word. So, Kid Blog made it fun by allowing kids to create their own journal, like entries in a safe space. Nothing that goes up on the site is made by public unless the teacher approves it. Students can also add photos, videos, or audio content to their post either by uploading their own clip or using one of the licensed pieces. Another top 10 tools is the Science 360 video. Access the most up-to-date discoveries and inventions in STEAM arena with Science 360 videos. The clips on the website are also free to embed on any other sites, blogs, or social network platforms, making them an ideal addition to projects. Science 360 focuses on the biggest news stories in science, math, and more, so that students can how discoveries are made and what it means for the world. Then the number 10 is the Canva. Canva, for the creative-minded in the classroom, Canva offers tools for teachers and students to use to augment the learning process. Kids can create modern-looking posters, presentations, and documents with the ease of the click and drop method. The most popular digital education tools for teachers and learners. The number 1 is the Edmodo. Edmodo is an educational tool that connects teachers and assimilated into a social network. The next is the Socrative. There is a Kahoot extension for Chrome. Kahoot challenges can be shared through Google Classroom. Socrative includes many free activities, formative assessments, and Space Race, which is an interactive assessment game. Socrative offers an app for Chrome and has a Google sign-in option. The Nexus the project is a real-time dynamic presentation platform. Give your presentation a heartbeat by grabbing your old dusty presentations or create one from scratch with our user-friendly dashboard and let your stories free. The next ThinkLink is an award-winning visual learning platform or classroom. Remote learning and teacher training. Users can easily augment images, videos, and virtual tours with media and links. ThinkLinks used for creating accessible visual learning experience in the cloud. Another most popular digital education tools for teachers and learners is the TED-Ed. TED-Ed platform allows users to take any TED Talk, TED-Ed lessons or educational video and easily create a lesson plan or customized questions and discussions. Users can distribute these lessons publicly or privately and track their impact on the world, a class or individual students. The next is the CK12. It's an app to help students and teachers improve K-12 learning globally by providing self-paced learning content and tools. The next is the Class Dojo. Builds wonderful classroom communities with parents and students. It is an educational company. It connects primary schools, teachers, students, and families through communication features such as a feed for photos and videos from the school day and messaging that can be translated into more than 360 languages. The next is the EduClipper. It is a free software application for the kids subcategory, part of the education category. The app is currently available in English and it was last updated on 2013 November 25. Now, the 9 learning tools every 21st century teacher should be able to use. The number 1 is the RRS or social readers. Example is the Flipboard. RDF site summary or really simple syndication. It is a web feed that allows users and application to access updates to website in a standardized, computer-readable format. The feeds can, for example, allows a user to keep track of many different websites in a single news aggregator. The next is the Google Plus Communities. It is a place for people to get together and talk about interests that they share. Learn how to join an existing community or create a new one. The number 3 is the YouTube channels. A channel is a member's personal presence on YouTube, similar to other social media sites. YouTube provides a place browse through YouTube channels where you can check out popular channels and subscribe to them if you choose to do so. The number 4 is the iTunes U. It is a part of the iTunes U store featuring free lectures, language lessons, audiobooks, and more that you can enjoy on your iPad, iPhone, Mac, or PC. Another is the number 5, cloud-based word processors. Example is the Google Drive. Cloud-based word processing software relies on its own servers in the cloud to save your data or files for you. And it automatically works to keep your documents safe and secure. The next is the Dropbox or other file sharing platforms. Dropbox has computer and mobile apps for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone, smartphones, and tablets. It also offers a website interface. As part of its partnership with Microsoft, Dropbox announced a universal Windows 10 app. The number 7 is the Evernote. Evernote is a powerful tool that can help executive entrepreneurs and creative people capture and arrange their ideas. It is an app designed for note-taking, organizing, task management, and archiving. The app allows users to create notes, drawings, photographs, audios, or save web content. The number 8 is the Pocket. Pocket is a natural response to the inundation of good stuff you find on the daily basis. The number 9 is the Zotero. It is a free, easy-to-use tool to help you collect, organize, cite, and share research. It is also an open source reference management software to manage bibliographic data and related research materials. Can technology change education? Modern technology is all about efficiency and speed. It is about ensuring face-to-face communication, connecting you to your better healthcare provider, and empowering you by giving you more access and control to the kind of care you get as well as service you receive. Technology has also begun to change the roles of teachers and learners. Technology is the powerful tool that can support and transform education in many ways. From making it easier for teachers to create instructional materials to learn and work together. Instructional technologies promote 21st century teaching and learning. It provides teachers and students access to a variety of educational resources that inspire creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. It promotes inclusion and development of digital literacy skills. What is the impact of modern technology in education? The importance of technology in schools cannot be ignored. In fact, with the onset of computers in education, it has become easier for teachers to impart knowledge and for students to acquire it. The use of technology has made the process of teaching and learning all more enjoyable. So this is the end of my report. Thank you for listening. I hope that you have gained something from what I have imparted to you today. Once again, this is Delani Amontos Libitania, my student. Thank you for listening and God bless us all.